coming into my mind and I don't notice. You were into my mind when I just wrote this. Need that shit in advance before we make progress. Don't you know I'm a boss, I write up my own checks. Every night when you call, you know we had. You had me up in a zone and I'm talking no. Come through. You know what we gon' do. I'ma put it on you. So put it all on me. Let's make it make believe. She comes before I leave. She comes before I'm on my way. 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 It's a crazy explanation how I'd like to say I think. When I'm rolling through the clouds, I always think that when you're going through the motions, yeah, your mind is so succinct. Do you jump? Do you run? Come to think, take a hint tonight. Come through. You know what we gon' do. I'ma put it